Yokosu, watashi wa YouTube channel. Really sorry for the goofy intro. I'm kind of weird, so hope you don't mind. So we all know the news about our RAMs being eaten by the AI stores or robots, whatever you call them. So with that, our PC prices has skyrocketed. So during this, we can't build a decent PC. But I was able to build a PC last year, thankfully. I was able to actually upgrade the PC, I would say. So I want to share that with you guys today. So first of all, I'll share my old PC specs with you guys.
In my previous PC, I had the Intel i5 4th gen processor in a Gigabyte H81MDGS motherboard and 12 gigs of DDR3 RAM, 128 gig SATA SSD, a 400 watt power supply, a CPU cooler from Armageddon Arctic Wind, and a casing from Gamebeard's Talos E2 Elite.
So those are my old PC specs. So now I'm going to tell you about the new specs or parts I brought for my PC.
So my new PC is built around this processor, the Ryzen 5 5500 GT. I could have brought the 5600G, but it weren't available on the stores, and also this processor is performing similar or much better in some titles, better than the 5600G. This was the better option for my build. For my motherboard, I chose the MSI A520M A Pro motherboard. It's an entry-level motherboard, but it has good features like having the easy debug LEDs, so I can easily debug problems with my PC. And for accessories with the motherboard, I got a 90° angle SATA data cable and a normal SATA data cable and few M.2 screws and also the backplate for the motherboard. For my RAM, I chose and used 4GB DDR4 RAM. You may ask, why did I use a 4GB RAM? That's because I didn't have the budget right now to get the 16GB or 32GB kit.
So now you may ask, why didn't I record my PC build? Well, I'm kinda lazy and also I doesn't have proper equipment because as currently I'm filming this on my phone. So also if I want to take a video of my PC build, I doesn't have the proper stand to do that. So and also it's gonna be really hard while recording to build the PC and it's really fragile to do that. So I didn't do that. Also there are great other channels like Linus Tech Tips who build PCs. And you can get more information from them rather than an idiot who's building a PC in his freaking room. Hey Linus. So I had to buy these parts during the freaking RAM shortage. So I didn't plan to get a big RAM, that's why I got a 4GB RAM. And also I primarily planned this build around processor because I doesn't plan to get a GPU right now. So because the GPU prices in Sri Lanka are really outrageous, more than America because of our freaking taxes. So I doesn't want to buy a graphics card right now. So I'm planning to use my processor's graphics right now. That's why I got a G processor. So I think my money's worth for that. So that's why I had to spec this out this way or configure it this way. So that's how my plan is gonna be. And I plan to do some streaming and gaming. Streaming probably not, but gaming for sure. I will create some games like arcade games or something like that to entertain you, hopefully. And so that's my plan. So I will buy some 16GB 8GB 2 kit, 16GB RAM kit, or two 16GB 32GB RAM kit. So that's gonna be probably second hand because like the new RAM prices are not gonna cut it out because like it's really unstable and it's going high prices. So I doesn't want to do that right now. So probably gonna be second hand. So that's my PC upgrade or kind of a build. Like I use most of my old parts right here. So yep. So this is gonna be my PC upgrade. Hopefully you enjoy it. And thank you very much for watching it. And sorry for being goofy and weird. See ya. Kadang ada. Iya, nek. Cut. Yokoso, watashi wa Soul Society.